All right, we're out here putting in some motorized shades today. Battery operated up in the headrail. So you've got a battery tube with AA batteries back there to power the shade. And then you've got your handheld remote with multiple channels so we can work each shade off of a different channel. We got the first one installed, so it's channel 1. Hit your down button and down it comes. Hit your stop and stop it anywhere along the way, back up. And then once we get the rest of these in, we do have a option where if you go to channel 0, anything programmed on that remote will all work in unison. But then you've got your individual channels, so if they don't come down perfectly level, you can make slight adjustments to them, and so pretty simple and handy.